I'm Phoebe Wood and welcome to Pantry 101. Today I'm going to show you how to whip up an easy pasta using a few basic pantry ingredients. I'm making an easy puttanesca pasta using ingredients that I always have in my pantry. If you stock up on some good quality items, you'll always have a delicious meal right at your fingertips. So, what do you need in your pantry? I always have some type of pasta and of course dried herbs, garlic and the essentials like salt and pepper, olive oil and sugar. And then I like to splash out on really good quality tinned tomatoes, anchovies and capers. So let's get started. This dish has really big flavors from the anchovies and olives, so you really don't need to add that much more. So we'll start by slicing up our garlic. We're going to start by cooking off our garlic and anchovies together. So at this point you want to really lightly colour the garlic and wait for those anchovies to melt and really infuse through that oil. And then we're going to add our tomato paste and brown sugar to lightly caramelise. Now that that's nice and caramelised, I'm going to add my tinned tomatoes, a good splash of red wine and some dried oregano for seasoning. And you really want to break those tomatoes up with your spoon. Now we'll just leave that cooking until it's rich and flavoursome, about 10 to 12 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll start cooking our pasta. Our pasta is cooked, so we're ready to add the final elements to our puttanesca sauce. And we're just going to add our capers and black olives. And we'll just stir that all together to warm through. Now our final element is just adding our seasoning. Because we've got the capers, the olives and the anchovies in there, we don't need to add too much salt, so I'll just have a little taste first. The salt balance is actually beautiful, so I'll just add some black pepper. Our sauce is ready. It smells absolutely tantalising. So we're just going to add our pasta straight to the pan. And I've kept a little bit of pasta water in case you need to loosen it slightly. And here you want to coat the pasta really heavily in that rich sauce. Well, I know my mouth is watering, so I think it's time to plate up. Now for the all-important taste test. That was actually so easy and it tastes so good because I used really good quality ingredients. So it's definitely worth stocking up your pantry so that you can have this puttanesca pasta any night of the week. For this recipe and more, head to delicious.com.au.